Welcome to ArtMagic.
Mama whale is a majestic creature of the ocean, gracefully gliding through the azure waters with her little one by her side. With a gentle smile on her face and a twinkle in her eye, she exudes warmth and love, embodying the nurturing spirit of motherhood. As you sketch Mama whale, focus on capturing her graceful curves and serene expression. Start with a large oval shape for her body, then add a smaller oval for her head. Don't forget to draw her distinctive flippers and tail, which help her navigate the vast ocean depths. Next to Mama whale, draw her precious baby, a miniature version of her mother, filled with curiosity and innocence. Make sure to emphasize the bond between them by positioning the baby whale closely to its mother, perhaps nuzzling against her side or playfully splashing in the water. Once you've outlined the basic shapes, bring your drawing to life with vibrant colors. Imagine the shimmering hues of the ocean reflecting off their sleek bodies, deep blues, vibrant greens, and hints of silver and white. Add some texture to their skin with gentle shading and subtle highlights, giving them a lifelike appearance. With every stroke of your pencil or brush, remember the love and affection that Mama whale has for her baby, a timeless reminder of the special bond between mothers and their children. So, let your creativity soar as you create a masterpiece that celebrates the beauty of motherhood this Mother's Day. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.